Puppies. Come on. Come on, what you found? Come on, hello. He's a good boy, Max. Hello. He's come to check them all. There's Jinx. Come on, you lot. Oh, getting a bit more adventurous. Come on. Come on then. Come on, Una. Una, Zorro. How much mischief can you find in my garden? Come on. Piggy's underneath the chair. Tia, gentle. Dash is following Tia. Going, what's going on? That lot aren't quite sure today. It's a little bit cooler. Max! Max! Una! Max! Come on, Jinx! Come on! Come on, pups! Hello, Piggy! Hello, Jinx! Good boy! Good boy, Sam! Oh, hello, Sam. Close up. Oh, Dash is coming. One way or another, T has decided he's coming this way. Oh, he's going to get washed instead. Come on, Max. Come on then. Hello, Max. This is a good boy. We're having some fun in the sunshine. So, T is playing. What's going on, Mummy? Oh, and we got. Max, don't eat try and eat the lavender. It tastes foul. Max, come on then. Jinx. I think they're enjoying themselves. They're getting up to mischief. Rixie's sitting here going, what are you doing? Tia's not quite sure what's going on. Zorro's finding it fun. Hello, Zorro. Oh, Jinx is getting adventurous. That's it. Attack Mummy. Attack Mummy. Rixie's trying to tell him to behave now. Get outside. And Tia's going, what you doing? So, but he's being looked after. Rixie, he's okay, honey. Good girl. You've heard him back this way. The others are playing underneath the chair at the moment because I think I'm safe. Oh, Peggy's now attacking Zorro, I think that is. Yeah, that's Zorro, who's eating some grass. There's Dash. There's Jinx. As you can tell, I think they like outside. But it's going to take Mum and Tia a little while to chill out with them being out here, which is normal. So as you can tell, they're all doing really well.